Get ready to discover the next big name in music. Join us here on Beyond the Surface podcast as we talk to Awanta, an upcoming musician, the emerging artist taking the industry by storm with his unique sound and inspiring story. Today, our episode, we are breaking the sound as we are about to talk the lives of Awanta. Awanta, feel welcomed here on Beyond the Surface podcast.
Thanks, boss.
First of all, what's your real name?
My real name is White Nota.
White Nota.
Yes.
What about, okay, how come does the name Awanta had become known to people?
Okay. That name known to people through music industry.
Yes.
And from the first time that I chose that I would be an artist.
Yeah, yes, sir.
That's when I made the name Awanta.
It was when, like, what year did you call yourself the nickname Awanta?
2020.
2020. That means it's now 4 years being known as Awanta.
Yes.
All right, man. Okay, how does school goes, like from primary school to secondary school?
Okay. I do my primary school at the CI, my secondary school at the Ntendere Secondary School.
Yes.
Yes. And now I wrote for 4 last year. And
How
then-
many points do you scooped?
Okay, I scored 27 points.
That's great. That's great, man.
Yes, boss.
Awanta is from which district and specific township?
Okay, Awanta is from Brantaya, based in Manasseh.
Township.
Yes.
Manasseh is a well-known township from where various artists came from, and various producers like Tom Jizo and Daf Lekos, which as well as BMG, which are well known. In your family, how many kids are there?
5 children now family.
5 children. Firstborn, secondborn, thirdborn, or fourthborn, or the lastborn?
Second born.
Secondborn.
Yes.
How many boys are there in girls?
There are 3 girls and 2 boys.
2 boys. That's great. Okay. Fast forward. Let's look at your early influences and musical beginnings. How do you discover that you have the potential of music?
Okay. I used to sing freestyle Rosie on desk during my secondary school. That's when my guys and my friends
Yeah.
used to motivate me that I can do something in music industry. So that's when I was like, I can do something and go to studio and
Yes.
record my first song
Yeah.
titled Chiambi.
Chiambi.
That's when I get inspired that maybe I can do something.
Chiambi, the name suggests that there is a powerful message. You
Yes.
see, like early beginning.
Yes.
What's your genre bending style and sound?
Okay, I'm an Afro artist.
Yeah.
Yes, chief.
All right. In the world of Afro-pop music, there are role models. And what are your role models, locally and internationally? And what are the inspirations?
My local role model is Senti and Ella Njuchi. Okay, I got inspired with Senti because the way he composed his song
Yeah.
and the way he dressed in his music video.
International, like stuff of worldwide.
Yes, worldwide.
Yeah.
Fireboy, because the way he write his songs,
Yes.
so touching. That's why I choose him.
That's great.
Yes. Okay, I take music as a business, and I wanted to motivate people about those who are underrating themselves.
Yes.
That they should give it more energy
Yeah.
to do their things like other people, like an abortion, suicide.
Yeah.
Because I sing music according to what is happening in this world.
Current affairs.
Yeah, like our generation,
Yeah.
there are different people with different doings.
In short, we can say that you are about to do infotainment. Alright, unique sound is a must for an artist to differ from other artists. How would you describe your unique sound?
Okay, my music sound, I always make sure that the way I bend my voice
Yes.
different to everyone, and the way I write my songs, like I used to, as I already said, that I used to write my songs according to what is happening this way. Everything that I see is what I do.
That should have powerful message to the people.
Yes.
That's great, man. Now let us look at the creative process of your music. Are you a songwriter and a composer? Like, I mean, in songwriting and composition, are you in there?
Yes, I'm a songwriter and a composer.
You as Awanta, what was your debut song into the music industry?
Yeah, my debut song is Chiambi, and I chose that title because of the struggles that I made before I go into the studio.
Like lack of money or what?
Like struggles
Yes.
and what people said. Like I cannot do anything.
Yes.
So that's inspired me to choose that title. That was 2020.
That's great, man. That's great. 2020. Now you have experience of 4 years now.
Yeah, experience of 4 years now.
That's great. Now, so far, how many songs do you have? And EPs as well as albums.
Okay, now I have 7 songs, 1 EP, and I have no any album.
Alright, what are the titles of the songs?
Okay, titles of the songs are
The first one is Chiambi, as
Chiambi,
you already said.
yes, Tisie, Kutali, Kwandu Kwanu,
Yes.
Village Champion,
Yes.
and Mashavu,
Mm.
and Tikale.
The titles have a specific local names, and that means it has powerful message to the people.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah, that's why I said that everything that I see in this way,
Yes.
I used to make music. So,
That's impressive, man.
yes, chief.
Collaborations are pleasant in music industry. So far, do you have any collaborations in networking?
Yes, I have a collaboration that I made with Kaliba Malawi, and he comes from
City or
Yes,
near
City,
Manas Township?
Yes, near Manasa Township, and as for now, he's also doing his music.
He is doing great, I hope so.
Yeah, he's doing great, and that guy is nice, and he is responsible. He's friendshipy,
Yeah.
and for so many times has been loyal to me. That's why I was like, maybe we can do something.
We can do better.
Yeah, and that song we recorded at Tom G's record, and that time was 2023,
Last year.
last year.
How many views so far for the collaboration on YouTube and Spotify?
As for now, I have 205 views because we didn't push it
Yes.
so much.
So far it has huge audience. 285 views
Yes,
isn't easy.
because our goal was to reach 1K,
Yes.
2K, maybe.
You will.
Yes, chief.
Recording is a priority in music industry. What experiences do you have about recording and production?
We recorded at Tom G's record and BMG, but as for now, I want to change. From now, I'll be recording at the space.
Because Tom G's and BMG are local producers, and for a person to push his or her music, he or she has to choose well-known studios so that people around the country, Malawi, can know them better.
Yeah, like also radios,
Yes.
TVs, to play your music. Okay, like there is corruption.
Yes.
They need famous thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so studios like Sixpence,
Are well known
yeah, well known, which can put my music.
on the map.
Yeah.
That's great. what are the problems that you face into the local studios during recording?
Yeah, the problem that we face is like lack of money for recording,
Yes,
money for upload, money for artworks,
yes.
money for promo. That's our struggles. So sometimes it was like, I maybe I
I
would
should quit music.
I should quit music.
That's touching. That's touching.
Yes, chief.
Can you walk? Can you walk us through your songwriting routine?
I used to apply my songs through what is happening in this world, like to motivate people, to educate, and to encourage them.
So that they can make informed decisions.
Yeah, so that maybe they can choose a better decision
Yeah.
going forward with their lives.
All right. Now let us look at breaking into the industry. How do you overcome obst- obstacles and challenges as you Awanta, an upcoming artist, such that they are well-known artists that have name in the industry and they have high favor, unlike you upcoming artists?
I used to overcome my obstacles and challenges by looking into my goal,
Yes.
and I have been motivated with so many people, like those who were listening to my songs.
Yes.
And when I remember that thing, that's when I was like, this I should do doing something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Currently, nowadays, to push music due to advancement of technology, an artist should have social media and online places. Do you have social media and online places?
Yes, people can find me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Boomplay, and Instagram, also TikTok. And like Audio Maki, Spotify, and people can find me, and I have many views there.
Okay, what's your account's name?
Okay, my account's name is Awanta.
Awanta.
And on Facebook, I have 14K followers.
That's great. That's great. You are pushing, man.
Yeah, on TikTok, I have 10K followers. On Instagram, I have 1K followers.
That's great. That's great. Being an upcoming artist to have that 1,000 viewers isn't that easy.
Yes, chief.
All right. What are the benefits of being on online places like on Spotify, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and AudioMac?
Yeah, of course, money that I make from those websites are not enough to push my music,
Yes.
but I just take it as something special that without it, I cannot do anything. Like having something is better than none.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why I take it as something special.
That's a that's a great movement. Being an artist, performance is there too. Are you involved in live performances and touring?
Yes, I performed at Bridge House,
Mm.
Chilimba Tower, Sochi, and last week
Mm.
I performed at Chilomon Garden.
You perform within Blantyre or outside Blantyre sometimes?
Okay, sometimes because I went at Lilongwe.
Yes. That's great.
Last of last week, and it was an amazing show because we had the Ella Njuji,
Yes.
Chismo,
Yes.
and JJC.
That's great, man.
Yeah, so that's I got also inspired
Yes.
because sharing stage with those famous artists is not an easy. It was not easy to me.
It is a special thing, man.
Yes, chief.
Do you have any future shows to perform
Yes,
this year?
yes. I'll be performing at the Ndilande and the Dedza.
Later.
Yeah. Okay, and at the City Mother's Day show, and it will be happening this coming Sunday.
That's great. All mothers within Manas Township, you should be there to listen to the sounds that your upcoming musicians of your township are preparing for you to be filled with specific moments at the Mother's Day.
Yes, and we also having our MP Lipipa.
Honorable No Lipipa,
Yes.
Member of Parliament of Blantyre City constituency, is there too. It's your privilege to share, like, you are placing issues in the township. That's a privilege.
Yes, I'm also inviting many people to come there
to hear your great sound.
Yeah, starting time is 1 p.m.
Yes,
and the ending time is too late.
that's great. That's great.
Okay.
All right. What's your favorite song to perform live at the stage?
Yeah, my favorite song to perform on stage it's Loke.
Okay.
Yes, Chief.
Can you give us a short buzz of the song?
Yes.
You can start.
Okay. Like Aya tenate if I got you I go no poverty meno ndikondela gelo tingopanga page you put my heart pandilok ndilinke anyway gela swear in the dark you ale meno ndikondela singapilile naenso wansembaga taksilile you put it pandiloki vibe got the vibe put my heart pandiloki vibe got the vibe put my heart pandiloki.
Audience out there, listeners, you have here the great buzz here, more than Fireboy. You see, the voice and the energy in it. That's great, man. Keep it up.
Thanks, boss.
All right. Now let us look at the toughest part of breaking into the industry. What was the toughest part do you experience within your music journey?
Okay, the toughest part is when you start pushing your music.
Yes.
That's when you start meeting different struggles, face different struggles. Like, okay, you cannot face a struggle in music industry while you are not pushing your music.
Yes.
Because we learn through mistakes.
Yes.
Yeah, because we made different DJs.
Yes.
That's when you see it was like
Even our girls, you see,
yeah.
you are well known for just 3 months, and a lot of girls can come in order to disturb you.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
fan base are the people that check on you, that you are pushing your music. How do you engage with your growing fan base?
Okay, I always respect them, and especially on social media.
Yes.
I always buy airtimes every week and share just to give them an attention.
Yes.
Yeah, I was trying to get an attention.
Yes.
Like announce like what time I will buy an airtime and people
top like top fans will get the credit reward.
Yes.
That's a great interactivity and engagement on the online platforms.
Yes, Chief.
Keep it on pushing it.
Thanks, Chief.
Everyone has future plans and releases. If you know footballers, netballers, what are your upcoming projects and releases?
Okay, I'll be releasing a song titled TCA this coming January.
TCA Jan, man.
Just TCA.
Just TCA?
Yes.
All right.
It's just like TCA. So I'll be releasing it this coming December, and it will be uploaded in different sites like MPC TV, Times, Lunta, Zodiac.
You are pushing, man. You are pushing.
Yeah, Rainbow, and the audios like
radio stations like Radio 2.
Yeah, Radio 1.
Yeah,
and the Times, and it will be uploaded on Awanta Daily.
That's great. Yes. Now you have reached a nationwide audience. Yes. From Chitipa to Sanje, people will get to know you better.
Yeah, also promoters like Migozi.
Yes,
Mafumu.
Yes,
Chief.
Even also Makosana.
Yeah, Makosana,
which are based in Manasseh Township.
Township.
You as Awanta, how do you see the music has evolved, and what experiments do you conduct so that you can prove the musical evolution and experimentation?
Okay, I always make sure that my music video is unique so that it can reach international, and I used to got good role models
Yes, yes.
which can perform better in my music video.
Yeah.
And I always make sure that the way I dress in my music
Music
video
videos.
can get the attention with so many people. So that's why I chose an unique.
That's a great vision to be on international level, like your music playing on Trace Africa and MTV base.
Yes.
That's great, man.
And I always make sure that okay, I have a plan
Yes.
to do a collaboration with an artist like from outside the country.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but
Like
it is in the,
Zambia.
yeah, it is in the process.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, an upcoming artist from Zambia.
That's great. So far, how many music videos do you have?
Okay, as for now, I have 3 music videos.
Which are
For One to One,
yeah,
for Kutali,
yes.
and for the Kali.
That's great. That's great.
Let's
For music to prosper, every artist should have management. Under which management are you working on?
Okay, now I'm working on Migogo management.
Migogo management is where from?
It's from Zomba.
Somba.
Yes, chief.
Do you receive any salary?
Now, for now, because I'm
What?
under,
Okay. What support they provide?
okay, like music videos,
Yes.
studios,
Yeah.
yeah, everything like transport for shows,
Yes.
yeah, and a little thing that I got from show,
Mm.
we used to share. Like I got 30%,
Yeah.
but them they got the
70%, so that they can utilize the money on music recording, music shooting,
Yes, chief.
and the like.
Yeah.
That's great. Now, motivation is a must for an artist. How do you stay inspired and motivated in music?
Yeah, I got motivated in music because sometimes music inspires me as a hobby,
Yes,
sometimes as a business.
yes,
So sometimes when I sing, I just feel good. That's that's why some concept comes from vibes,
yes.
like the vibes, which can I used to share with person like this guy is in happy mood,
Yes,
can
yes,
listen to this song.
yes.
This guy is in sad mood, can listen this song.
This guy is in. This guy is in love, like low key song.
Yeah, I can listen to this song.
Yeah, that's great.
Yes, chief.
Goals are set by anyone doing a future encounter. What are your goals and aspirations?
Yeah, my goals is to reach international, as I already said,
Yes, yes.
and to share same stage with Fireboy, my role model,
Fireboy Demo from Nigeria.
and to sing with him too.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, and to be a famous artist like my generation, that my generation never seen before.
Yes, yes.
To do something special, like something new, to
Yeah.
bring something new in the music industry.
Trust the process, man. Everything works with time. Put trust in God.
Thanks, chief.
All right. Can you share a memorable fun account during like live performance at the show or on online platforms?
My memorable show is when,
Encounter by a fan base.
yeah, it's when at Village House.
Yes, yes.
I got more morale.
Yes, yes, yes.
I got more morale when I sang my song titled the Giambi.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because many people was used to vocal it, so I was like, I'm going somewhere at all.
When was that time?
Was 2023.
2023 at Village House.
Yes.
That's great, man. Keep on pushing. Everything is possible.
Thanks, chief.
Apart from music, what do you do during your free time?
Okay, at my free time, I play football. Sometimes reading books.
Yes.
sometimes watching movies. Yeah.
Football, what position do you play?
Winger.
Winger, like Saka or Foden?
Saka.
Ah, that's great, man.
Yes, chief.
Now let us look at your final thoughts and advice to upcoming artists, even artists that are there in the industry.
To my fellow upcoming artists, don't look down yourself.
Yes.
And believe in yourself.
Yes.
In everything that you do, give it more energy.
Yes.
That you can do it. Because promoters cannot come in your life when you are just recording your songs and listening it to yourself. You have to push it so that when they see potential in you, they can come and motivate you and start sponsoring you,
so that you can bear good fruits from the music you are composing.
Yes, chief. For them to come, they just when they come in your life, when they see your potential.
Yes.
Yes.
What's your message to your listeners on various online platforms like AudioMag, TikTok, and other platforms?
Yeah, to the listeners, they have to follow various artists, an upcoming artist and famous artist.
Yes.
Because this gives us motivation,
power to do the music more.
Yeah, because when we have more views,
Yes.
we also have more energy.
Yes.
So you have to follow us every side like FB, Twitter, Spotify, AudioMag.
That's great. Any shout outs to influencers, mentors, or supporters?
Okay. My shout outs goes to Caliber
Malawi, your collab mate.
Yeah. My shout outs goes to my mom and my daddy.
Yes.
My shout outs goes to my friend Jonesy.
Yeah.
And Stevie and Casti, the big man there.
Yes.
And Suspense.
Yeah.
And Tom Jizo, BMG, K-Star, and Super C.
Super C from Manasi Ghetto.
Yes, chief.
Before we conclude, can you do a short freestyle for us?
Yes, chief. Okay. After zaga zingapo samveka nampeza pulo jusa ku studio ndili ndi filuti tuluse audio mwachizolowezi navonya pa radio pasana temwezi yati ndachuka awanta mapresha kuchuluka ndinalandira foni ya chilendo ndirafusa nangoti zayambika ine kakasi ndiyambira pati ine kakasi nakumana ndi mabwana amasuti posachedwa nandikweza lenjilova nadabwitsika nditangolowa ndoyimba gospelo ndinawaona lenjilova ija inali chiholo anandipasa mpando wa kusogolo ine zimapresha naye awanta zimapresha kafusa mangoti ichi ndi chinsisi kafusa mangoti usauze muntu dola zanga is after me abale yanga is after me kuchuka kwanga is after me yo.
You killed it, man.
Thanks, boss.
Thanks for being here with us.
Thanks, chief.
You are welcome.
Grateful.
That's how we conclude on today's latest episode about the lives of upcoming artist Awanta. Don't forget to follow him on various online platforms like AudioMag, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Boomplay, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share on Beyond the Surface so that people can access the latest episode of Awanta. As Awanta already stated that he is lacking serious sponsorship so that he can push his music to his dreams. If are there any well wishers out there can help him and contact him through various accounts. Thanks for being there to listen to the latest episode. Until we meet next time, stay tuned on Beyond the Surface for more unfolding stories so that you can make informed decisions to the pressing issues in the world.
This is a Russ production.